Of course, so many people knows that there are 36 states in the country, but they don't even know the dates which these states are being created and the person that created these states in the first place. Now watch this video so that you are going to learn, and share this video so that others will learn. Now, before the states were being created, there were existing 4 regions in Nigeria: the northern region, the western region, the midwestern region, and the eastern region. And then there is the colony of Lagos, which is the capital, okay, or rather, which was the capital. Now, on the 27th of May of 1967, the then head of state, General Yakubu Gowon, abolished the 4 existing regions and created 12 states. The 12 states that he created on that day was: number 1, Benue Plateau; number 2, East Central State; number 3, Kano State; number 4, Kwara State; number 5, Lagos State; number 6, Midwestern State; number 7, North Central State; number 8, Northeastern State; number 9, Northwestern State; number 10, Rivers State; number 11, Southeastern State; and the 12th state is the Western State. These were the 12 states that were initially created on the 27th of May in 1967 by the then head of state, General Yakubu Gowon. Now, on the 3rd of February in 1976, the then head of state, General Murtala Muhammad, created an additional 7 states, adding it to the 12 we already have to make it 19. The 7 states he created were Bauchi State. He created it out of the northeastern state; Benue State, which he created from Benue Plateau State; then Borno State, which he created out of the northeastern state; Imo State, which he created out of the East Central State; Niger State, which he created out of the northwestern state; Ogun State, which he created out of the western state; Ondo State, which he created out of the western states. These were the 7 states that he created, adding it to the 12 to make a total of 19. That was as of 3rd of February 1976. Now, on the 23rd of September of 1987, the then head of state, General Ibrahim Babangida, created 2 more states, adding it to the 19 to make a total of 21. The 2 states he created were Akwa Ibom State, which he created out of Cross River State, and then Katsina State, which he created from Kaduna State. And then on the 27th of August in 1991, still the then head of state, General Ibrahim Babangida, he created an additional 9 more states, adding it to the 21 to make a total of 30 states as of 27th of August in 1991. Now, in the 9 states he created were Abia State out of Imo State; Enugu State he created out of the old Anambra State; Delta State, which he created out of Bendel State; Jigawa State, which he created out of Kano State; Kebbi State, which he created out of Sokoto; Osun State, which he created out of Oyo State; Kogi State, which he created from a combination of Kwara and Benue State in those days; then Taraba State, which he created out of Gongola State. Yes, there was a state before named Gongola State. Now, and these were the 9 states that he created, adding it to the other 21 to make a total of 30 as of 1991, August the 27th. And then finally, on 1st October of 1996, the then head of state, General Sani Abacha, created an additional 6 states, adding it to the 30 to make a total of 36 states. The 6 states he created were Bayelsa State, which he created out of Rivers State; Ebonyi State, which he created from a combination of Abia State and Enugu State put together; and then Ekiti State, which he created out of Ondo State; Gombe State, which he created out of Bauchi State; Nasarawa State, which he created out of Plateau State; Zamfara, which he created out of Sokoto. And now, as of the October 1st, 1996, Nigeria had a total of 36 states, which we have been using till this day. Now that you have learned how and when and who created all these states, share this video so that others will learn. I will see you in my next video. Know your history.